Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to solve the generate parentheses problem on LeetCode. As you may see here, given n pairs of parentheses, write a function to generate all combinations of well-formed parentheses. So basically we will have as an input a number, 3 for example, and we need to generate all the possible combinations with the well-formed parentheses. Like this for example, we have 3 open, then 3 closed. We could have like 2 open, one open, 1 close. That is a global parentheses here, and 2 open, close, open, close. We can have, an open here, closed, and open, closed here, and then the right, just 1 open and closed parentheses. So yeah, we need to generate all the possible cases. And generally, when it's about generators something, the best approach or the first idea that needs to come to my mind is backtracking. Okay, so backtracking, how are we going to do that? But first, let us initialize our combinations list. So this is the array list that we will return at the end. Then we will need a magical function called backtrack. And then we need to define its arguments. Okay, so I'm going to create this backtrack function here. And first of all, in this backtrack function, we will need n, that is the number of pairs of parentheses. Okay, and then I will need a string builder. So in this string builder, I will step by step, character by character, parentheses by parentheses, I will build my combination. Okay, let's keep this for now. But, also I will need the combinations array where I will put my combination into it when I finished building it. Okay? So the first thing to stop our backtracking recursion is to check if my combination length is equal to what? To 2 multiplied by n. If we reach that specific length, that means that we finished building our combination. It means that we need to add it to our combinations list. Combinations, add combination to string. And we need to stop. And then to build our combination, what we need to do at some point, the first thing what we need to do is to add an open parenthesis. But again, we will need a variable to keep track of how many open parentheses we have, so that we can match later on with closing parentheses. That's why I will add now another new integer that is int open. And obviously, now that we have an int open, we cannot add indefinitely open parentheses. We only need to add open parentheses when open is still less than n. Okay, because as you may see here, the number of open parentheses is always should be equal to 3. But while building our combination, it should be always less than 3 or equal to 3. Okay, so if open is less than n, in this case, we can append our combination to our combination the open parentheses, and then we can backtrack to build with another type of parentheses. So in this way, I will add my n open. This one will be incremented by 1 because now we have an open parenthesis, and we will add our combination and combinations list. And also, after I finished backtracking, I should remove from my combination the last element. So this is how backtracking works. So I remove here I remove the last element by taking out the length -1. Cool. But I need also at some point to add my closing parentheses. In order to do that, I will also need a new variable that will keep track of the number of closing parentheses. And I could only try to close if my open is strictly superior than close. If that's not the case, I cannot close because I don't have any opening parentheses to close. Okay? Yeah. Then I can append my closing parenthesis like this. I can backtrack again. But this time, instead of incrementing my open, I can increment my close. And I need to add close here. And also I can remove my last element after I finished backtracking. Cool. So now let's fix this backtrack and add its correct argument. So we have n here. Open will be initialized at 0, close will be initialized at 0. We have a new string builder here and our combinations. Perfect. Now basically it should work. We're gonna run the code. Backtrack invalid method definition. Yes, private void, because we don't return anything. Okay. Run the code. Delete chart. I cannot find. Okay. Delete chart. Combination. Delete chart. Okay, it should work. Cannot find symbol. Combination append, combination delete, cannot find symbol. Strange, I cannot remove the last character. 20, it works here. Delete chart. Short. Oh, my bad. Oops. Okay, so it works. Let's submit the code. And it works. So this is it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.